Hi everybody! Yes, I'm back. Finally, I have a short story to share. I want to share my skincare routine before bedtime. And this must be done 2 to 3 times a week as per direction. But for now, this is my second time trying this product. But I'm not doing this for any advertisement. The funny thing, I didn't show how I put the product. But anyway, here is the film after I put it. Okay, after 20 minutes, let's peel this off. Medyo masakit siya. This is my second trial. The last one was the other day. Medyo mahapdi siya kaya so avoid on this part. Yung malapit sa mata. Masakit kasi pati yung balat, pero grabe yung after the feeling, the day after, grabe naglabasan yung mga whiteheads, blackheads. Saka makikita agad yung result na nag-tight yung skin. Nakakatakot pa kung ma-scratch yung face. Pero siguro naman kasi medyo sobrang dikit niya. Unlike yung ibang face mask na i-attach mo lang ng wet, tapos after few minutes re-remove mo tas trash. Pero kasi ito iba directly ina-apply sa skin, tas hintay din ng ilang minutes to fill off. Feeling ko nagsasara ang mga pores. Feeling ko lang naman. Medyo matagal lang to kasi nga sobrang dikit niya, even sa hands. Yan sa fingers nag-attach siya. It's a charcoal. May mga variant siya, pero I chose this one. Parang feeling ko mas effective siya pag in-apply sa mukha. Diba? Kala mo naman, magiging Korean, kaya akong glass skin. Pero hindi. Ang promises lang niya is magki-clear ang skin, ma-remove ang mga white and blackheads, at kung ano-ano pa. Pati pagkatao mo mawawala. Okay. Pati yung mga sama ng loob, sasama dyan.
What?
Yung bitterness mo. Char. Yan. Diba? Pala mo. Back to baby skin. Aray ko. Sakit to. Medyo manipis ang balat natin. So, kailangan ingatan ang pag-peel off. Saka, I like the smell. Mabango naman siya. Hindi naman siya yung parang iyo. Hindi naman. Konti lang yung in-apply ko, pero sobrang madikit siya. It's been a long time na hindi ako nagpa-face mask, or ano ba tawag doon? Wala akong ganito. So once in a while, treat mo lang yung face mo instead of going to some dermaskin clinic or mga DIY or nababili over the counter. Ang hirap. Dito masakit din Yan, siguro I'll continue this later. Let's see what will happen after peeling it off. Wait, I'll be back. After peeling off, nagwash ako ng face. Yan, this is my skin now. Banat na ba? Or clear? Then next, I'll put some syrup on my face before bedtime. Yeah. After putting the serum, yan, tap lang. What's nice about the serum I use, pwede siya sa hair and body. Aside from face, pwede rin siya sa body. Yeah. Okay, let's eat.